Hi guys! Hello and mabuhay! Welcome back to my channel, Junris React. How are you all guys? I hope you're doing well and amazing. And for today's video reaction, let's travel to our favorite country, which is Poland. Dzień dobry to our Polish friends. Oh my goodness. The rehearsal of Eurovision Song Contest was like they're having their rehearsals already, and we have to make some video reaction of our favorite artist to represent Eurovision Song Contest for Poland, Justyna Stikowska, or whatever the pronunciation, entitled Gaia Rehearsal Poland Eurovision 2025. And credit also with the honor of the video to ASC 2025. I'll put in the description box below so that you can connect also and watch the full rehearsal, or the I think 30 seconds rehearsals of this one. But my God, I'm so excited with this one. I know you guys are excited and rooting also with Justyna because she is incredible. She's amazing. Her voice and her talent, it's like beyond, it's like out of this world that you will love when she performed. Let's have to watch a few clips of, like, I think an introduction of her. She's speaking into Polish language. I want to watch with this one, guys. Let's get to it and enjoy. You're a superhero. With this.
Jestem mega szczęśliwa. I love Switzerland. Zgodzili się i jest naprawdę super. Jestem wysoko nad ziemią, wygląda to, mam nadzieję, super. Znaczy wygląda super. Jeszcze jest nasz wielki, no zobaczycie co jest. Całuję was i trzymajcie kciuki i cieszmy się naszym cudownym newsem, bo lecę.
Wow. I really like it because when the way she speaks, you can feel that it's deep in her heart. And I like the outfit or the costume that she's wearing. It's like ready for the Eurovision Song Contest. And wow, goodness gracious, she's amazing. She's her sexy body, her costumes, the way she speaks. Even like few people saying that she's 50 years old, she shouldn't like join competition. That's for a good a young age. No, there's no age in any performances, in any contest or any singing contest, as long as you can deliver emotionally, you can deliver with pure passion and compassion. And that's Justyna will show with us, like an amazing performance of this year's Eurovision Song Contest. And I cannot wait, and I'm so excited with this one. And let's get to her rehearsal, guys. Let's be amazed and shocked with this one. Oh my God, Justyna, I love you so much that I really want to watch with your whole performance, or maybe concert here in the Philippines. Let's get to it, guys, with this rehearsal. Oh my God, the tone itself, the dances, the moves, you can truly feel that it's like, it's so heaven already. It's like the moves that they just put it, it's like 100%. The energy that it's been there, even that you cannot see like singing at first with Justyna, but still, they just make it so lively, so fun, so cool. And this is how you perform. And Justyna, I love it. My goodness, can't wait. Oh my God, this is for real. She will be hanging. Wow, seeing the stage, seeing the backdrop, that dragon thing, there is something that's so great in this performance. The dances and the moves, and like now I'm just talking, but I still get goosebumps with it because I cannot wait. This performance will be like mind blown to everybody. I hope that the juror and the judges will love this performance of Justyna and give the 12 points majority and she will win, because I was rooting with this young lady. I was rooting with her to win because the way she sings, the moves, the dances that she just put into the performance, her singing ability, it's so beyond. That's so fantastic to listen. This is just a performance, like a 30-second, but you can feel like it's so great. Goodness gracious, this is amazing. Oh my God. It's like hanging to the air in that, I don't know how many inches with that one above from the below from the ground. It's so dangerous to see, but still I believe in that, in her capability, because when someone to sing and perform, you really have to give it all. You are professional in doing it. I know that they've been practicing with that one. Lifted in that air, it's that's so high. That's, oh my God. It's like breathtaking. Yastaina, you're so amazing. This is just so people will be excited to watch with you and rooting with you, and hope you will win and give a good performance of this. Who expects you to win? This is so amazing. Goodness gracious. I love Yastaina. You're so great. Wow, goodness, bravo. I was so stunned with the way it was doing it, because there is something meaning also with that dragon that it is in the background. Oh my God. I hope guys you will rooting with Jasaina. This is an amazing like rehearsal show. Even this is just like a 30 seconds video, but still you will impress. Thank you so much. I hope you will support Justyna. You will support Poland for this year's Eurovision Song Contest, because I will support with their 100%. Whew. If you have some comments and suggestions for my next video reaction to any Justyna, Sikoska, or any Polish artist that you want me to react, put in the comment section. I would love to read and respond with you all. And please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, Junris React. Goodness gracious. Dzień dobry to our Polish friends. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye. God bless, and see you in the next video reaction. Have a good day, everyone.
After 30 years, I'm here again! Is it possible?
It is.
It's possible.
I feel younger than before. Because I am younger.
Hey,
After 30 years, I'm here.